Welcome to this presentation on the eccentricity matrices of certain bi-block graphs. This research was conducted by T. Divya Devi et al. And published in 10th April 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we delve into the spectral properties of eccentricity matrices, a fascinating area within spectral graph theory. While the adjacency and distance matrices have well-established spectral characterizations, the eccentricity matrix, defined by retaining the largest non-zero distance in each row and column of the distance matrix, presents unique challenges. A significant theoretical gap exists in fully characterizing graphs whose eccentricity matrices exhibit spectral symmetry with respect to the origin, and also in identifying classes of graphs for which these matrices are irreducible. Our research addresses these open problems for a specific and important subclass of bi-block graphs. Our central hypothesis is that for this subclass, spectral symmetry is directly linked to the parity of the graph's diameter, and that these matrices are consistently irreducible. We operate under baseline assumptions of standard graph theory, focusing on simple, connected graphs, and established definitions of distance, eccentricity, blocks, and complete bipartite graphs. Our work specifically targets bi-block graphs, which are connected graphs where every block is a complete bipartite graph, and we introduce a subclass denoted B prime, which includes all trees and bi-block graphs with at least two blocks and at most two cut vertices per block. Our methodology begins with the precise definition of the eccentricity matrix, T of G, where its entry at row I, column J, is the distance between vertex I and vertex J, if that distance equals the minimum of their eccentricities and zero otherwise. The core of our approach involves analyzing a specific subclass of bi-block graphs, denoted B, which are characterized by having at least two blocks, with each block containing at most two cut vertices. A crucial methodological step is the construction of an associated tree, TG, for each graph G in B. This TG is subgraph induced by a carefully selected subset of vertices from G, ensuring it retains key structural properties. We prove that TG is indeed a tree, and critically, that the distance between any two vertices in TG is identical to their distance in G. This allows us to establish that the diameter of G is equal to the diameter of TG, and the eccentricity of any vertex common to both graphs is preserved. Furthermore, the center of TG is shown to be a subset of the center of G, providing a powerful structural link. For inertia calculations, we employ established matrix theory results, specifically the partition matrix theorem for determinant and inertia, and the Cauchy interlacing theorem. Spectral symmetry is investigated by constructing specific eigenvectors that demonstrate eigenvalue pairing, and by analyzing the coefficients of the characteristic polynomial, leveraging a lemma on polynomial roots symmetry. Our findings demonstrate a clear dichotomy in the spectral behavior of eccentricity matrices based on the graph's diameter parity, specifically for graphs in class B with a diameter of at least 4. For graphs with an odd diameter, specifically those where the diameter is 2 times m plus 1, with m being at least 2, we found that the inertia of the eccentricity matrix is consistently 2 positive, 2 negative, and n minus 4 zero eigenvalues, where n is the total number of vertices. Crucially, the spectrum of the eccentricity matrix in this case is symmetric with respect to the origin. This means if lambda is an eigenvalue, then negative lambda is also an eigenvalue with the same multiplicity. In stark contrast, for graphs with an even diameter, where the diameter is 2 times m with m being at least 2, the spectral symmetry breaks down. We rigorously proved that the spectrum of the eccentricity matrix is not symmetric with respect to the origin for these graphs. The inertia in the even diameter case is more complex, depending on the location of the graph center relative to its cut vertices and the number of diametrically distinguished vertices, but it fundamentally differs from the odd diameter case. Furthermore, a significant result is that for all graphs in class B with a diameter of at least 4, their eccentricity matrices are irreducible. This addresses a long-standing open problem for this specific graph class. These results carry significant theoretical implications for spectral graph theory. By establishing a precise if and only if condition for spectral symmetry based on diameter parity for the class B, we extend and generalize previous findings for simpler graph structures like trees and clique trees. This directly addresses an open problem posed in the literature, providing a clear structural determinant for a key spectral property. Our work underscores the power of the associated tree TG as an analytical tool. The ability to map complex bi-block graph properties to a simpler tree structure, while preserving crucial metrics like distance and eccentricity, offers a robust framework for future investigations into other graph classes. The detailed analysis of eccentricities for non-cut vertices, as presented in Lemma 3.9, and the explicit characterization of the graph's center in Theorem 3.14 are novel contributions that highlight the intricate interplay between local and global graph structures. Our findings also challenge existing models by demonstrating the limitations of spectral symmetry for graphs with smaller diameters, specifically diameter 3, and for bi-block graphs outside of our defined subclass B. This indicates that while diameter parity is a strong predictor for our specific class, the general problem remains nuanced, opening new avenues for research. The explicit matrix constructions and inertia calculations provide a template for similar detailed spectral analysis in other structured graph families, contributing to the broader future research frontier in graph spectral analysis. In conclusion, our research makes several core contributions to the field of spectral graph theory. We have definitively established that for a significant subclass of biblock graphs, denoted B, the spectral symmetry of their eccentricity matrices is directly and exclusively determined by the odd parity of their diameter, provided the diameter is at least 4. We have also provided explicit calculations for the inertia of these matrices under both odd and even diameter conditions, and importantly, proved that the eccentricity matrices for graphs in class B with a diameter of at least 4 are irreducible. This work not only resolves specific open questions for this graph class, but also introduces a robust methodological framework centered around the associated tree TG for analyzing complex graph structures. Looking ahead, there are several promising directions for future research. First, extending these characterizations of spectral symmetry and inertia to broader classes of bi-block graphs beyond our defined subclass B or to other block structured graphs would be a valuable next step. Second, further investigation into the spectral properties of eccentricity matrices for graphs with smaller diameters, particularly diameter 3, where our current characterizations do not fully apply, is warranted. Finally, exploring potential applications of these refined spectral properties in interdisciplinary fields, such as chemical graph theory for molecular structure analysis or network science for understanding complex system dynamics, could reveal practical implications of our theoretical findings.